Hey peoples, welcome back to my channel. My name is MSA if you're new. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Liza Eldridge Liquid Lurex. This is a cream eyeshadow. Lisa launched this product around, I think it was November, early December last year. And the grand plan was that I was going to do a makeup look, kind of like a New Year's Eve makeup look after Christmas and have it up before the new year. But unfortunately I got sick because I overdid it. I get so excited for Christmas. So I had to take some time off. But anyways, I know I'm late to the party, but better late than never. So this product, it retails for £19. I'm going to go onto her website, just going to look it up on my phone to read the claims of this product. So it's meant to be creamy, lightweight, and it has a lustrous wet look finish and a durable shine. So I'm going to be talking a bit more at the end once you've seen how this product applies as to whether or not I think it lives up to these claims. I will talk about the packaging briefly. It is beautiful. It's very much in keeping with Lisa's aesthetic. She does use a lot of gold on the caps of her product. I love the bottle. I think this is, yeah, it is glass, and it's got this cool doe foot applicator, which is pretty cool. I like it. It's very chic, minimalist, but also quite luxurious. So if you want to hear more of my thoughts about this product, to watch how I created this makeup look, please keep on watching. And you guys should know what to do by now, but in case you're new, please subscribe. I'd love for you to join MSA Be Inspired, and I will be giving you guys more creative inspiration and makeup reviews. And also drop me some comments down below, give me some likes. Yeah, I think that's about it. So let's get started. To start off with, my upper eyelids are already prepped with some concealer, which I've set with powder and with a bit of eyeshadow. I've set it with this colored eyeshadow all over the lid. So I'm going to go ahead and create my transition color, and I'm going to use this shade, a MAC 224 brush for this. Now onto the liquid Lurex. It's got this doe foot applicator, which you can use to apply the product onto your eyes. So I am just going to put it all over the lid in one layer. And I'm liking this applicator. It's very easy to use. Just going to go slightly above my crease because I always do this. Okay, now that I've got it where I want it, I'm just going to use my finger to blend out just sort of the top edge. That's pretty easy to use, and I think you've got a bit of time to sort of move it around, and that's not bad. I'm just gonna go and add a little bit more because I want to take it a little bit higher. Okay, that's better. I think I just didn't work quite quick enough. Not bad, but I'm used to my brushes, so I think I'm just going to very quickly use my brush to just blend out that top edge. So far so good. It is pretty lightweight, feels very comfortable on my eye, and I love the color. It's obviously it's predominantly gray, but you can see there's silver flecks in it. I think there's little bits of blue. Hang on, I'm just going to bring the mirror closer. Yeah, there's hints of blue in there. I feel like there's one more color. I almost think that there's a slight hint of pink, but I might be wrong. It's beautiful though. I like it. Okay, so that's that side done. I'm going to do this side now, but this time I'm just going to use the brush for this. My hair keeps getting in the way on this side, so it's a little bit annoying. I really like this doe foot applicator. It makes it really easy to position the product exactly where you want it. So now I'm just going to go in very quickly, blend. Yeah, so I think if you want a more precise application, use a brush, but if you don't have a lot of brushes or you just prefer your fingers, that will work fine too, but work quickly. But that is so easy. Like, I'm really impressed with just how easy that went on. Wow. Okay, so now I'm going to layer the product because I want to see how well it layers, because some products do not layer very well. And this is looking good. Like, okay, not bad. So that's the second layer going on. Let me just blend that out. And that actually layers beautifully. It doesn't look bad. And it's blending really nicely into the transition color that I put down. I always like to do this when I use lighter colors or greens, just any color really. I just find it just looks a lot nicer when you have a warm transition color. Oh, that's beautiful. So you can see this eye is a little bit more intense than this eye. So I like it that you have a bit of control with how intense you want the look to be. So just to make it even, I'm going to go in with one more layer. And it has that bit of a wet look, as it was mentioned, but it doesn't feel that way on the lid. It's super comfortable. And I remember reading on the website, it's free of a lot of things that I think can cause irritation to skin. Like there's no fragrance in it, there's no talc. I don't think there's any silicone in it as well. I remember seeing that there on the website. So that's pretty cool. So my guess is that for people who may have very sensitive skin around the eyes or stuff like eczema might do well with this product. I think it's going to be a lot kinder than chunky glitters because they can be a bit abrasive, and especially when you're taking them off the eyes at the end of the day, it might just irritate the skin. But this is just, wow, this is good. I am enjoying this product. Okay, I think I need a bit more on this side just to even it out a little bit, and then we're good to go. Next step is optional, but I just like a bit of dimension on my eyes. I'm going to go in with this dark brown shade, and this is just a fluffy Morphe blending brush. I'm just going to put this color on the outer third of my eye. And I like that. It's, if you can see the difference there, it just creates a bit more of a smokier eye look. And again, the colors just blend so effortlessly into it. You almost feel like it's a powder shadow now, even though it's a cream. And I've not really had this experience with cream eyeshadow products, which is why I don't often go for cream products. But this is in a different class of its own, I have to say. I'm impressed. Okay, so I'm going to spend a few more minutes blending this out. I'm going to do my liner, put on lashes, and then I will finish off my lower eyelids. I think what I'm going to do is just to put a bit more of that dark brown underneath, smoke it out with that lighter brown I used in my transition. And that will be most of my eye done. I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eye. I'm using a highlighting palette by H&M, and I'm going to mix these two colors. It's like, this actually goes on as pink and this goes on as purple, but it doesn't look like it in the pan. Just going to spray my brush for a more intense color payoff. That's better. For mascara, I'm using Bad Girl Bang by Benefit. It's a great one if you've got short lashes, which I do. It just helps to elongate them. Also going to put some highlighter just onto my Cupid's bow. I'm going to go for a bold lip, so I'm using a lip pencil by MAC called Night Moth. Just going to use that to line my lips more sort of on the outer corners because I want to do a bit of an ombre lip effect. For lipstick, I'm using a Retro Matte Lip Color by MAC. This is in the shade Old Lady. It's this beautiful, call it a fuchsia pink purple color. I can tell I'm running out of this stuff because when I got this, I used to wear this all the time. And then I just stopped. I don't know why. I kind of go through phases with lipsticks. Look at that color. Oh my gosh. Then for blush, I'm using this blush by Inglot. This is number 124. I made this palette myself just because I couldn't find a blush palette that I really wanted. And it's just this beautiful, I guess it's a plummy red color with a bit of purple in it. So it works really well with this look. And it is pretty darn pigmented, so a little goes a long way. Look is done, and I want to go through my final thoughts on this product. I loved it. I mean, look at it. It is beautiful. It is so easy, and I usually run away from cream products just because I have oily skin. Anything cream I'm always very wary of, and I haven't used a lot of cream eyeshadow products, but oh my gosh, this is so easy to use. And I love the fact that it's very beginner friendly, or if you simply just don't have a lot of makeup tools and you're on the go, you can apply it with your fingers. I personally love my brushes and I love a more precise application, so I know myself, I'll always use a brush, and it's really easy. I love the fact that you could layer this, and I found that the more I layered it, the more intense the look was, and I really prefer it with a couple more layers, but you could do a very sheer wash of color. I get the sense I'm going to be buying the other colors. I think there are about 4 other colors. It's beautiful. I am really impressed. So as I said at the beginning, I'm going to go back to the claims on the website. So it was written here, it's creamy. Yes, I can attest to that. It is lightweight. Absolutely. I feel like there's nothing on my lids, because often when you wear glittery eyeshadows, you can kind of feel the weight of them. But this one, oh my gosh, it's comfortable. Like I'm blinking, creasing my eyelids, and it feels really good. Feels like I've got nothing on. It feels more like a powder shadow, to be honest with you. And it's also written on here, it has a lustrous, and yes, lustrous meaning it's quite shiny, very shiny, and I love it. It's super reflective, wet look finish, and yes, it does have a slightly, like it's almost like a molten look, but it doesn't feel that way, which is really cool. And it says it has a durable shine, and I will say yes to this because I think I've worn this all day, at least for 8 to 10 hours. Absolutely no creasing, so I can attest to the fact that this is long wearing. I think that was about all it was. Okay, yeah, that was all that was written on the website. So I give Liza a 10 out of 10 for this product. I highly recommend it, and as I said, I'm going to be buying the other colors. Wow, just wow. Okay guys, that's my review. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Drop me some comments down below. I'd love to see what you think about this makeup look and the product if you have tried it. I will be putting all the links of everything I've used down below, so you guys can shop for it if you'd like to. Yeah, I think that's about it. So I look forward to creating another makeup look for you guys very soon. See you later. Bye.